Today we're going to be doing a video about my big sister fashion advice, especially if you're just getting into fashion. Things I've realized about buying clothes, wearing clothes, styling clothes that maybe I wouldn't have realized if I didn't sit and talk about fashion so often. First one being something I've kind of realized but I don't talk about too much on my channel is never saying never. I feel like I used to be so quick to say I'm over high-waisted pants for the rest of my life. I think low-waisted is more flattering on me, so I'll only wear that. I'm over platform shoes. I'll never wear them again. I'm only gonna ever buy shoes that have a low platform. I'm over white sneakers. I'm never gonna buy them again. I'll only buy colored sneakers, and so on and on and on. I feel like I do so much of this on my channel just because with making fashion videos, I have to look for new things to talk about. So a lot of the times I talk about what I'm over. I'm never fully done with anything, I don't think. There's always a time and place for all of the things that I think are done. Whether the other style looks more flattering on me or not is so important to the times and the time in my life and the phases of my life. I've been wearing high-waisted pants again, jeans. I did not think that would happen. But if I'm wearing a tiny cropped, almost bra style shirt like I did here, I'm not gonna wear it with low-waisted pants. That's when I need a high-waisted option. And so on. Maybe a certain pant or dress will only look good with a platform shoe. It just goes into my notion of never getting rid of everything, keeping all of your clothes. You love them once, you'll love them again. Basics aren't timeless, and I've said this before, and I've made the mistake before of thinking they were back when I first started this channel. But I always say that, just because jeans are timeless doesn't mean the jeans we're all wearing right now are. I hate this idea, or I don't hate, but I just think it's really ignorant to say old money will always be in style, because it won't. It's trendy right now, and it wasn't trendy before. It will look dated at a time. Does that mean it won't always look good? No, but it will look dated. Think of in 2010 when we were just wearing a white t-shirt, which is a white t-shirt, timeless. We wanted our t-shirts to be v-neck, and now we are so into a higher neck crew neck. We're into a more baby style cut tee with a shorter sleeve. We want it to hit right at our low-waisted pant, so they're a bit longer. If we looked at 2016, we wanted our white t-shirt to be cropped to hit with our high-waisted pants. There really is no timeless basic. Trench coats, because I think that was one that I had called timeless probably back in 2020 when I did a video, trendy versus timeless or something like that. And the trench coats we're seeing now are that oversized classic Hailey Bieber-esque trench with a really cinched waist. We want the length to be down to our ankles, like a maxi coat. And when we were seeing them in 2012, 2016, they hit right below the butt. They were a lot more fitted, a lot more structured. Anything can be with this. Jeans, right now we're seeing them a bit more low-waisted and baggy. In the 2012s, we saw super high-rise and jegging skinny. Even a puffer jacket, we could look at the cuts and the colors and, dissect everything. And that's not to say that we can't wear the 2010 style now and it looks bad. It could still look good styled correctly now, but it will look dated. So it's not timeless. But style is timeless. But it's so true. If you just dress true to yourself and really find the items that you do like, you will have pieces in your closet that you've been wearing for 10 years and they can still look relevant and in style and to date wearing them today. I have this little jumpsuit that I showed, I think in my last video, that my brother got me for my 20th birthday, and I still wear that jumpsuit all the time. It is just such a me piece. I don't think it's really trending right now or in style. Maybe it's in style, I don't know. But that's one of my core pieces where I'm I could wear this for the rest of my life. My mom's fur trim jacket, suede jacket. I know that's a trendy piece, but I've been wearing it before it was trendy because it was my mom's. It was special to me. Those kind of items, that's what gives you a good sense of style and kind of gravitates others to be drawn to your sense of style. And you will look back at those pieces and you will never think I wasn't true to myself, I was so cringy, whatever, which is fine to think those things too. You're going to, without a doubt. I feel being older now is just realizing that I will look back at this video in 5 years and be she was so dumb. She has so much to learn. You know what I mean? Just accepting that we don't know everything. And I'm just sharing with you as I learn these things. And maybe if you're younger than me or need a refresh, it's fun to watch. And if you're older than me, you can look and be this girl doesn't even know. Or just wiser. It doesn't have to be older. The next thing I learned is that hair and makeup make or break the outfit. There were so many times when, I don't know, I feel I kind of always thought this because in high school, I had like really bad cystic acne. I was on Accutane the whole 9 yards. So a way for me to feel more comfortable was to do my hair and makeup, but I would still put on like a hoodie and leggings or whatever, and I felt cute every day. But if I like, you can wear your acne out, whatever, but I wasn't comfortable with it at the time. If I hadn't done my makeup and my hair and I had a really cute outfit on, I would feel so much worse than the opposite. And now I kind of feel that like I can have a pretty plain Jane outfit on, and if I do like my hair in something fun and add a bold lip, the outfit can feel so much more stylized, so much more personal, and vice versa. If I have a cute outfit on and like my bangs look greasy and I just look like I rolled out of bed and put on a cute outfit can't even hold its ground. I do that so many times though with like filming videos. I'm like, I do not want to do my hair and makeup, but I will so stand in front of this camera and put on 16 outfits, but the outfits will end up looking like shard hole. Not saying I always need makeup, but sometimes I just need to like splash water on my face and brush my hair. Okay, next thing I learned is you can never go wrong with a leather shoe. I seriously have kept like my true leather shoes, my boots, my loafers, my ballet flats. They have stood the test of time in my closet and I end up wearing them all the time. I feel like if you're gonna invest in a shoe, like, yes, it's easy now to invest in a sneaker because I feel like sneakers are kind of hard to get secondhand. You normally wear them to the ground, or at least I do. And sneakers now, why is every sneaker $150? Like, what the heck? They just don't do anything for my outfit the way a leather loafer or like a leather Mary Jane does. And I feel like these leather shoes, buy them secondhand, whatever, they will last in your closet for literally the rest of your life. Like, I could totally see myself being a grandma wearing my Doc Marten Mary Jane. Next thing I learned is to always wear one vintage thing or like thing from last season, something secondhand. I kind of always talk about this. I can so easily spot an outfit that's like fresh off the mannequin, or, and not saying just me, I think a lot of people can spot if you just like went to Zara and you bought everything. It's that those neon colors give it away. If your purse and shoes match and they're both that like neon Zara green, which is like Bottega green, and everything matches, you just like look at it and you're like, that's not style, that's just like buying everything new and putting it on. And I don't think twice about those kind of outfits. Immediately, if you just like throw on your old leather purse, or you put on your mom's coat, you put on your dad's sweater, you put on a pair of jeans you've loved for years, you put on your dirty sneakers, you put on just something that maybe isn't trending. I don't know what else. You'll just immediately look so much more fashionable. It looks so much more personal. Just always having something secondhand, last season. If you don't buy secondhand, it will help everything. Okay, next thing is that you will always hate your Zara, Shein, H&M. I can't even think. Those are like the top 3 I always think of where you see like massive hauls. That's where it's from. You're always gonna hate those hauls. Those pieces are like instant gratification. They look so good all together coming out of the box, and then when they're in your closet, you never reach for them. They don't mesh well. They don't look like you thought they would. I used to be a victim to a big Zara haul, and when I say big, I would say like I bought like 4 things or like 3 things. Like I wasn't buying like 20 things at a time. Or an H&M, like getting a couple things, whatever. And they just never lived up to what I thought they would. I always regret going in and doing a big haul from these fast fashion places. There are obviously always exceptions, like I do have things from H&M and Zara still in my closet, but it's far and few compared to like when you go to those places, you're expected to like buy a lot of things, not just like a curated piece that you know is gonna work. You know what I mean? Just stay away from a big haul, a fast fashion brand. Honestly, I say stay away from a big haul 99% of the time and allow yourself to buy one item to avoid the giant haul. I kind of fell under this. I was trying to do the rule of 5 this year and it just ended up not working out. I think I've only bought, I could count. I did 1 haul at the thrift store that broke it. And before that, I was on track for rule of 5. I had my 3 like purchases. I made it to whatever date that was. Rule of 5, if you don't know what it is you only allow yourself to buy 5 things that year. And I wasn't including sponsored content that I get because that's how I make money and that's my job. But my own personal buys, I was only gonna allow myself 5 this year. And I made it to 3 and we went to the thrift store for my daughter. She needed pajamas and I was going there to thrift pajamas for her. and I saw a pair of gingham capris that I wanted so bad, but I knew that I had already had my rule of 5, and I don't go thrifting like I used to. I'm lucky to go thrifting like once every 3 months now, just with timing, and like in person, which is fine. And we were there, and I was like, I'm just gonna get them. And I was like, okay, well, this is breaking my rule of 5. I'm just gonna shop. And I ended up picking like up a lot more things, and out of that haul, I feel like I only wear like 2 of the items I really wore, and the rest were just kind of like, well, I broke the rule of 5, so I'm just gonna shop now because who the heck cares? And I feel like this happens to me all the time, is I'll get that itch to shop after like forcing myself not to buy things for so long. Then I end up doing a giant haul and it's not even things I like, instead of just being like mindful about each purchase. And when I really decide that I want one thing, letting myself buy it and not buying 6 when I don't buy that and I miss it, and trying to fill that void, if that makes sense. I feel like since doing YouTube and fashion content, it's really been hard and like not hard. I've really been trying to like decipher the difference of like what I should and shouldn't be buying, what's normal and not normal. This job isn't normal, so a lot of that. Yeah, but whether it's secondhand or, you know, from a small business, a sustainable store, whatever, fast fashion, if that's what you're into, just let yourself buy the one item and try and avoid that giant haul I have. Okay, and the very last thing is such big sister advice, especially if you're in college and it's starting to get cold and you want to go to parties in your little crop top. You will always be happier dressing for the weather. Just get a cute jacket. Or I saw so many people on my like college video I did so long ago say that they would have like a frat jacket. We didn't go to frats at Grand Valley, but they would have like kind of a crap jacket that they would thrift. They didn't really care if they lost it, and when they get to the party, they just kind of throw their jacket somewhere, and if it's not there at the end of the night, it's not the biggest deal. Or just like wear a cute jacket and like commit to it, hold it. I don't know, like if I went out to the bar now, I would not be like Ubering up in my tiny crop top. I'd be wearing like a fur jacket in the winter. Like I'm gonna own it. I don't know, it's just more that like committing to the bit. Same thing with like shoes. Like don't be wearing sandals in the winter. Like you're gonna feel uncomfortable, your feet are gonna be cold. Just dress appropriate for whatever weather is outside and you're gonna have a better time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wasn't planning on doing this. I normally have my videos pretty thought out in advance, and last night I was thinking of some, I don't know, like things I've been discovering since making these and wanted to share with you guys. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye, I love you.